Today we have the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and we have a special unboxing for you. But first, if you are new to this channel, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and continuing further, we have the 464GB RAM variant which costs 13,000 rupees. As comparing it with the Redmi Note 5 Pro, the same specs phone in the mid-range segment, it costs 15,000 rupees, and it also does not get the pure Android experience. It has a skin of MIUI 9 and it will also get the MIUI 10. But today we have the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, which is a great mid-range device. You can play PUBG, Asphalt 9 Legends and all other games seamlessly on this device with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is enough for storing your content and playing games on this device. The Snapdragon 636 processor also have cryo cores, which enhances the gaming performance and battery stability. The phone is pretty much great and it looks similar to the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Has a 6-inch Full HD Plus display and good cameras on the front and the rear side. In the 64GB variant of this phone, we will get the Redmi Note 5 Pro 464GB variant, which I think it's not a value for money. So if you are trying to buy a phone with pure Android experience and this much performance in the mid-range segment, the best phone you can go for is the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.